Hey, what's up guys? JP here with J.P.BBQ. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today is Super Bowl weekend. I want to show you guys how to make some Super Bowl nachos, and we're going to garnish it with some homemade guacamole. You guys stay tuned. I'll show you how we get these nachos made JP style. Hey guys, these nachos are done. It's time to dig in and see what they're all about. They look fantastic. If you're looking something simple to make, you can't beat this. But besides that, let's give this a try. First of all, just want to tell everybody that this is a collaboration video. I'm doing this video with a bunch of other YouTubers as well, and we're gonna hashtag this video, call it Super Bowl Snacks. So hashtag Super Bowl Snacks, it'll be down in the description. You click on it and there'll be a list of other Super Bowl snacks from other YouTubers as well. On top of that, I want to give a shout out to some really good friends of mine. CJ out there in California, just want to tell you I appreciate everything you do for the community, you know, and Kent, you know, you're a good guy. Appreciate it. I'm gonna put links to both of their YouTube channels down below. You guys go check them out. They're good guys. They're part of the barbecue community, and they're just awesome. It's good to be part of you know, this whole gang, you can call it. The other person that I want to give a shout out to is the guy that invited me to do this Super Bowl snack. His name is Ben Rogoff. I hope I'm pronouncing his last name right. I'm not 100% sure, but he's a good guy. I'm gonna put a link to his YouTube channel as well down below. You guys go check them out. You know, these are good guys. You know, they like barbecuing on the weekends, and they like doing YouTube videos just like I do. But let's give these nachos a try and see what they're all about. I'll grab me a little piece right here. Ooh, man. Yes, sir. And then I'm gonna grab some of this guacamole. Here we go. Cheers. Good stuff. I can taste the lime in the guacamole. Guys, these are fantastic nachos. I appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel. Thanks for watching. And again, check out those other guys in the hashtag. Go check out their video as well. But besides that, we're done. I want to tell you guys that I appreciate you very much. Do me a favor. You see that subscribe button over there? Click on that button. And don't forget to hit that bell as well. That'll give you future notifications of upcoming videos. If you're interested in any of the products that I use, down below is a link to my web store and my affiliate store as well. You know, you guys click on that stuff and go check out the things that JP uses. But besides that, thank you very much. I will see you on the next cookout. You guys take care.